Yeah, beautiful people, very bright day, very bright time. You see, now today we welcome you to this channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment, do everything you can do to make our channel shine, 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 shine. So this is a brighter day. We are enjoying, man. What we're going to do now is that we are now putting tiles in our house. This process is very nice, very, hey, let me tell you guys, let's continue the channel, man. Let's see what happens, man. Yeah, man. Now we want to finish this place that was remaining here. You see it from the outside. Now let's finish it now. Now putting these pieces now. So guys, there's some pieces that are remaining. This is how they cut them. Check. They cut. Then they break. You see? Not break now. You need these pieces. These pieces we are not going to put somewhere. Yeah, that's how they do. That is now cutting. Some people have the machine for cutting, but these guys cannot come with the machine. They came with something simple. This diamond cutter. It's like a glass cutter. Very fast and effective, this one. You see? Again, put one. Mark. Yeah, mark. Take necessary measurements. You see? Mark. Mark is now okay. It's okay now. Cut a straight line. Now put a nail inside. Then break. You see? Now the pieces are ready. So guys, what he's basically doing is removing the excess cement that is in between the furrow so that they can put grout inside there. So he has to remove them so that he wipes the surface clean and the grouting will be done there. That's why he's removing the excess cement before it gets dry. That's what's happening now. Now you see, after cleaning it will be very clean, then they apply grout. Yeah. This other room, you see, he has already removed it and it's clean. You see now it's looking clean. Yeah. That's how the room is looking clean now. Now let's go to the other part that is still also ongoing, the plumbing works. Now this guy is now fixing the piping for the shower there, water for the shower, water for the sink, water for the WC there. Everything is being fixed by this guy. Also fixing the drainage system now for the sewer and the water now. That is what is happening now. Let's continue the video and don't forget to subscribe as we do two things in once: plumbing and tiling, because those things have to go hand in hand. Yeah, when we finish with this one, then we come and put tiles in the kitchen. Now in the toilet. Now this is the kitchen, still not yet. Yeah, this is the grout that I was telling you before to be put in the other place. These are the boxes of tiles that are still there. Now what we're doing now we're gonna finish this other part that was remaining here. You can see now is the other part that's remaining. Yeah, that's how we do. Put the cement. Then the cement. Now after applying the cement now, You see? That is how you supply the cement now. Yeah, cement now, putting down cement now. The surface now. Now it's not okay. What is doing there is that creating a place where it will land safely. The tile, the ceramic tile that's going to put there, you see? Everything is okay. Now the tile will come now. Be fixed now. It's being removed from the tiles there. Now it's coming now.
Tile moja jamaa kuwa ameweka kumbe alikuwa anajua tu, nampigia simu hata akatai. Nashangaa mbona hakuna. Kumbe anajua mwenye alikuwa amefanya.
Wanatumia simu yenye iko na 64 GB.
12 GB RAM.